This is the elevator at the Health Sciences Building at St. John's River State College in St. Augustine, Florida. This is ThyssenKrupp Signa 4. That sounds like a Synergy door, but I think this is a 2-floor Synergy. Yeah, this is a 2-floor Synergy. Get the 2, here we go up. Here are 2. That is fast. Interesting. Top person's rough. Go back down to 1. This is the fake in-can LED indicator, which I've never seen that on a Synergy before. I don't know if they have a digital indicator, but this is obviously an older one, so I think it's bracket 2010. Yep, certificate traction passenger. The basic ThyssenKrupp laminate cab. Good quick. This is the only elevator on the entire campus. There, it closes on, that's going to be it.